Just a little update on Banana Row. This is a Suriname banana. Suriname banana, no fruit coming out yet. And we did a little Java banana. This is African banana with one pup. Oh, sorry, this is Suriname banana too. This is Java banana, African banana, African. This one already gave us fruit. African, the middle one gave us fruit. This is our first fruiter. Now we got another big one and two pups. At least two pups in there. Three pups. African banana, just side by side with no visible pup shed, but there could be some pups starting to come up in here. We can't see yet. But it will get pups. And we've got third African banana. And this is the Java banana that I already got a fruit from. It was really short. These ones grew tall and we're getting much bigger fruits. And these are very, very large. You can barely put your hand around them. They're so fat. So we'll show you that as it comes out. So we got two growing simultaneously. We got 1, 2, 3 pups there. This is a dwarf banana that has one pup. This is a red Inky Bakba, Indian banana. South American Indian banana. This one too. And this one is also Java banana. It was a little tiny pup that was about this big that was attached to the first one I planted there. Now it's growing up and it's got its own pups. 1, 2, 3 of its own pups. This is also, these are all Suriname bananas back here. They get about 35, maybe 40 kilos on a plant. These ones.